Where are you from? I am from England. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Where do you live? I live in New Jersey. What do you do? I am an engineer. See you soon. See you tomorrow. How can I help you? Where is the bathroom? How much is this? What is this? Do you speak English? I speak a little English. Where is the post office? What is your phone number? Do you have any siblings? I have 2 sisters. Are you married? Do you have children? I have 3 children. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Do you have any pets? I have a cat. I wake up at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 p.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. I have dinner at 6 p.m. I go to work at 8 a.m. I go to school at 7:30 a.m. I come home at 5 p.m. I go shopping. I exercise every day. How do I get to the airport? Is it far from here? Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. It's near. It's far. It's on the left. It's on the right. Can I walk there? Can I see the menu? I'd like some pasta bolognese. Can I have the bill, please? How much does this cost? Do you accept credit cards? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? I'm just looking. I'll take it. I need a doctor. I don't feel well. Where is the nearest hospital? Call an ambulance. Now, I feel well.